Fluent English practice. Liam, are you ready?
Almost. Give me a second.
It's already 8 o'clock.
I know. I'm putting on my shoes.
The traffic will be bad.
Don't worry. I'll drive fast.
But safe, please.
Of course, safe. Let's go. Did you bring your laptop?
Yes, it's in my bag.
And your ID card?
Oh no, I almost forgot.
See, good I reminded you.
Thanks. Okay, ready now.
Great. Let's get in the car. Good afternoon. May I see your ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
To Paris.
Business or holiday?
Business. A work meeting.
Okay. Any bags to check in?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Sure, here you go.
Perfect. Not overweight.
That's a relief.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. What gate?
Gate C22. Boarding at 4 p.m.
Got it. Thanks a lot.
Hi. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thanks. Are you flying to New York as well?
Yes, I am. It's for a business trip.
Oh, interesting. Have you been there before?
No, this will be my first visit.
You'll really enjoy it. The city is full of energy.
I feel a bit nervous, honestly.
That's normal. You'll get used to it quickly.
Thanks. Do you travel a lot?
Yes. I usually fly for work every few weeks.
Wow, doesn't that get exhausting?
Sometimes, yes. But I also find it exciting.
Do you know how long this flight takes?
Around 7 hours in total.
Good. I'll try to sleep on the plane. Good evening. I have a reservation.
Welcome. Your name, please?
Emma Wilson.
Yes, Ms. Wilson. 1 room, 3 nights.
That's correct.
Your room is 704, City View.
Excellent. Is it ready now?
Yes, you can check in.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m.
And checkout time?
11 a.m.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free in all rooms.
Perfect. Where are the elevators?
On your left side.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, Liam. I just arrived at the hotel.
Oh, that's good. How was your trip?
It was a long flight, but everything went smoothly.
Did you find the hotel easily?
Yes, the taxi driver was very helpful.
That's nice. How is your hotel room?
It's really big and clean. I even have a balcony.
Wow, sounds amazing. Do you have Wi-Fi there?
Yes, it's free and the connection is fast.
Perfect. That will help with your work.
Exactly. I can check emails right away.
Did you have dinner yet?
Not yet. I'm too tired to go out.
Maybe you should order some room service.
Yes, I saw the menu in my room.
Good. You'll need some energy.
True. The conference starts early tomorrow.
What time does it begin?
At 9 a.m. I have to present in the first session.
Oh, that's important. Are you nervous?
A little, but I prepared everything.
Don't worry, you'll do great. I know it.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Will you call me after the conference?
Of course. I'll let you know how it went.
Okay. For now, eat dinner and get some sleep.
Yes, I will. Thanks. Liam. Good night.
Good night, Emma. Rest well. Hi there. Are you here for the conference?
Yes, I am. It's actually my first time.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto. And you?
I'm from Seattle. What do you do?
I work in marketing.
Oh, nice. This event is about new ideas.
Yes, I'm excited to learn more.
Are you giving a presentation today?
No, I'm just attending.
That's good. Less pressure.
True. Are you presenting?
Yes. Later in the afternoon.
Wow, that's great.
A little nervous, though.
Don't worry. You'll do fine.
Thanks for saying that. Do you want to sit together?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Perfect. Let's go inside.
Sure. Let's find good seats.
The sessions were long today.
Yes, but really interesting.
Are you free for dinner?
Not tonight. Sorry.
Oh, why not?
I have to meet my sister at the airport.
She's arriving tonight?
Yes, I'm so happy to see her.
Then you should hurry.
Yes, I don't want to be late.
Maybe dinner tomorrow, then?
Maybe, if I have some time.
All right. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.